In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code pop-up in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, attention-grabbing lightbox that automatically appears with your coupon code ready to boost conversions. Start by logging in to Wix.com and opening your Wix Studio site. Click Edit Site to enter the Wix Studio editor. Give it a moment to load. You'll be working directly on your pages in the visual editor. To add the pop-up, open the Add menu, then go to Elements and find Layout Tools. Select Lightboxes. You'll see a range of templates. Pick one that fits your brand, such as a simple centered pop-up. Click it and the lightbox will appear on your page so you can edit it in place. Next, customize the content so your offer is crystal clear. Click the text inside the lightbox and change the title to something compelling like limited time offer or 50% off coupon code. Update the code itself. For example, save 50. It helps to use multiple text elements. One for the main title with a larger font size, around 30 to 40 points, and another for the discount code that's slightly smaller but bold. If needed, add a short description or basic terms so visitors know how and when to use the code. Adjust font sizes, colors, and alignment to keep everything readable. High contrast and concise wording usually perform best, and centering the content often keeps the layout balanced. Now let's control when the pop-up appears. With the lightbox selected, click Set Trigger. Turn on Automatically Display Lightbox on Pages, sometimes labeled Show Lightbox on Page Load. Choose where it should appear. Just the home page if you want to be subtle, or multiple pages if the promotion is site-wide. Set a small delay, like 2 to 3 seconds after the page loads, to avoid overwhelming visitors the instant they arrive. If you want the pop-up to run only during specific dates and times, enable Lightbox scheduling. For example, set it from September 2nd to September 3 in your chosen time zone. If you don't need scheduling, clear the dates or skip it. Decide how visitors will close the pop-up. You can show an X close icon, a close text button, or both. Keeping the X is a simple, familiar option that users recognize quickly. Before going live, click Preview to test. Make sure the pop-up appears after your set delay on the pages you selected, and confirm the code text is clear and properly formatted. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right to make the discount code pop up live on your Wix Studio website. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you